Okay, let's talk about our weather. Wow, quite the warm up today, Jeff, and the poor air quality. I noticed quite the difference.
Yeah, both of those things. The heat really helps to cook the pollutants in the atmosphere, so it's just kind of compounding that smoke that's moving in and throughout the Bay Area. And we're going to take a look out of our Sky Camera network at some of the worst locations and also that air quality. So let's start you off out here over the Tri-Valley. This is our camera from Dublin looking out to Livermore, and you can see just how smoky it is. Now, we should say that the very unhealthy air, that still remains up near the fire, but we are seeing some unhealthy conditions moving close to the Bay Area. Now, the other spot we're monitoring here is Walnut Creek looking towards Concord. This is where some of that visibility is cut down to 3/4 of a mile and less in some cases. So the current air quality, the way things are shaping up right now, at this very second, we have unhealthy air over the North Bay and also for the East Bay. So that's where you might need to limit your outdoor exposure if you have respiratory problems, just because, again, some of those smoke particles are coming down to the surface. But let's go ahead and move this forecast ahead. We're going to get you into what you can expect for tonight. Through 5:30, we still have the smoke over the North Bay, East Bay, some of that over the South Bay and Peninsula. But by later on this evening and early tomorrow morning, we do expect that fog to start picking up. So watch what happens as I advance this. And you can see as that foggy breeze begins to return, that smoke, at least the worst of it, begins to move off towards the east. We'll continue to see that fog pattern for tomorrow morning, which will keep us with some haze here through the Bay Area. That's that blue and green color. But once again, the worst of the smoke should be staying out there to the east of us. As we roll into Saturday night, hazy conditions remain, and the same thing remains on Sunday. So I think this weekend we're going to get some sun in here, but as you look off towards the distance, we'll see that haze. At this point, it doesn't look as bad as it looks right now for the entire weekend. So some good news coming our way as we roll into that weekend forecast. Now, here's the other thing. We're going to have some fog at the coastline tomorrow morning and even some spotty drizzle. So everything is just kind of getting mixed in. So tomorrow morning, probably not the best mornings view-wise. But I think overall we're setting ourselves up with a better day. As we begin, we'll start with some cool 50s here over the South Bay Peninsula and the Tri-Valley at 60. I have it to 57 here in San Francisco, 58 for the East Bay, North Bay at 55. Daytime highs tomorrow, we'll begin to see things cool down by about 4 to 7 degrees. So it's going to be more comfortable that way as well. 92 in Livermore, 84 in Napa, 71 in Oakland, have you at 83 in San Jose, and we have 60s here for San Francisco and through all of our coastline. On my 7-day forecast in San Francisco, we'll keep with those 60s as we move through the next several days, and those 60s are good, as I've been saying, because that keeps us out of a heat wave. We'll have plenty of 80s rolling in as we move through next week's forecast. We'll take a look at the Tokyo weather since the games are winding down. I'll have that coming up tonight at 4 o'clock.
Okay, looking forward to that.
Jeff, thank you very much.